Welcome to our project demonstration. We are Career Kings, and in this video we are going to show you our online library management system. First, let me introduce you with our team members. Our first member is Muhammad Shahmi, which is our group leader. Our second member is Fadil Raihan. Our third member is Tega Insan, and our last member is myself, which is Muhammad Haziq. For the first part of the video, I'm going to show you how an administrator of the system can manage books in the library. So, in order for an admin to enter the system, the admin needs to click on the admin login button over here. And after clicking the button, the system is going to show the login form. So, in order to enter the system, the admin needs to enter their username and password. I'm going to enter an admin account right now. After entering the details, the admin needs to click on the login button to enter the system. As soon as the admin clicks the login button, the system is going to create the admin with the system's dashboard. For this part of the video, I'm just going to show how an admin can manage books in the library. So, in order to add a new book to the library, the admin can click on the book's navigation over here and click on the add book button. To add a new book, the admin needs to add the book's name, author, price, category, ISBN number, and the book picture. I'm just going to enter a random book details to add a new book to the library. After entering all of the details, the admin needs to click on the submit button to add the new book. After clicking on the submit button, the system is going to show the books in the table. So all of the books are going to be shown in the table over here, and the new book has been added to the system. So the admin can search the book by their name, category, author, and ISBN number. I'm going to search the book by their name. After entering the name, the system is going to show the book in the table. So to edit the book details, the admin needs to click on the edit button over here. After clicking the edit button, the system is going to show the book details that has just been added just now. For now, I'm going to change the book details to a new book. After changing the details, the admin needs to click on the update button to update the book details. The book details has just been updated, as you can see over here. If the administrator wants to delete the book from the system, they can do so by clicking on the edit button over here. So the book has just been removed from the database. That's it from my part, and now I'm going to pass to my team members to explain the other functionalities of the system.
Greetings and good evening. My name is Tegar Insan Tohaga, and I'm from Group 6 Query Kings, which is from database in section 7. So in this video, I want to share you about managing data, which include the issue new books into student, or borrowing one of our books, and then manage the author of the book. So without further ado, let's begin the demonstration. So as you can see, there is a issue book. If you want to check it, you can, if you want to input issue, if you want to issue a new book to a student, especially a registered student, you can check the ID. You can check the ID. What's the ID? What's student ID this belong to? You can see these are the data that have been registered by student uh, which is there are Anuj Kumar and there are Sarita Pandi Jondo. As you can see, there are student ID recorded in here in this particular data. So if you want to issue a book to a student or you want to borrow them, you can check the student ID and you can check what the book that he want to borrow it. So you can check in book, you can check in manage book, and you can see all of this book: PHP, MySQL programming, physics, murah, and there is many particular book in this library management system. So if you want to issue book, make sure you know what type of the book and what's the number of the book or ISBN, what's the name of the book, and what's the student ID for borrowing the book. So for the registered student, you can see, let's take example, okay? Let's take student ID from student name Anuj Kumar, SID 002. Okay, issue a new book, and then you can type it. After that, after you type the student ID, there is it appears about their data. It appears about what his name, what his email, and what his number. So after that, we have to input what Anuj Kumar wants a book, or what Anuj Kumar borrows a book. So you can input the ISBN number by another type of book. Let's take example 222333. Okay, so you can issue Anuj Kumar, and you can check it what type of the book that Anuj Kumar borrow it. Issue the book. Okay, done. Okay, and then we don't know about the returning of the book. So and then Anuj Kumar will go to the library a couple weeks later. So after that, you can return the book by return date. So you can edit the action by as you can see, there is a issued book details, what's the student details, what's the student ID, what's the student name, and student contact number, what's the book of the Anuj Kumar borrow it. As you can see, there is a name of the book, PHP and MySQL programming, and there is a ISBN and issued book date, and then book return date not recent yet. Anuj Kumar go to the library, and then he want to give you a borrowed book. So okay, how much fine that Anuj Kumar get it? You can type it as the regulation of the library. You can type it 2, or you can type 1, or you can type it 5. But let's take example 2. Return the book, done. So in this data, as you can see, Anuj Kumar has returned the book and also issued the book. Okay, but how about the authors? How we can add the authors, or how we get a new book and the new authors? So you can add authors. What's the author name? Okay, let's say author name is Miyamoto. Okay, this is Miyamoto. Okay, this is author name. Add As you can see, this is the author listing in the library management system. As you can see, there's Anuj Kumar, Anita Desai, the Sharma, and the creation date, the updation date. Okay, this is the newest data that we have inputted in this dashboard. So you can edit it, you can update what's his name, you can update Miyamoto Musashi, Kenji. Okay, you can update what his name, what the current data. You can update what the current data, or you can delete the particularly data. Let's say you want to delete Miyamoto Musashi, or you want to delete Caliban here. Caliban here. Oh, okay. You want to delete Miyamoto Musashi. Okay. Localhost, are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Delete. Okay. After that, you can type in the search bar. You want to say Robert. Yeah, Robert. Okay, there's Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki. You can type it the name and appears the data. Okay, and the book also there is a Miyamoto. There is a Robert Kiyosaki book which is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Is a great book. You can read it. It's about a wealthy. So in my conclusion is this dashboard can easily maintain and give to the user to maintain correctly and easily about borrowing books, especially for issued books, and you can maintain about the author data and the book data. Okay, that's for all. I hope you I hope you do well, and see you in next time. Assalamualaikum.
So now I'm going to show you how to register the student. You can go ahead, go to user login form and then click not registered it, and then we can go ahead and type in the full name. In this example, we're gonna go with Anis. Yeah, and then after that you can go ahead, click the phone number or find the phone number for this account, and then the email of this account, and then the password of this account. You can make a password for this account, and then we can just type the password again, confirm password, and then as you can see, it is successful. So now I'm going to show you the active and inactive students. So by doing that, we need to go to admin login form because only admin can access this data or this database. Okay, so as you can see, there's the students here, and then there's the new account, and then there's the inactivate button, and then there is the details or the books that they used to borrow. So let's say if the account is inactive, not used again, we can just block it again. So by doing that, we just click the inactive button and then OK, and then we can try logging in. And there you go, it is now blocked, as you can see from the message. So now to activate it again, we'll have to go log into the admin again. And then we can go ahead and see, this is the account again. It is blocked right now, so just activate again, and now it's active. So we should be able to access the account again. Okay, password, and then there you go. We are now able to access the account again.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil Shazwan bin Shairam, and I'm going to present about the sign up, update student profile, change password, view available book, view issued and loan books. Okay, so first is the sign up page. So a student can use the sign up page to enter a new student account for use of learning book. In this homepage, we can see that there is user sign up page, user sign up on top of the header. So first, what you need to do is enter the full name, like Shami Shazwan, number, email. It will detect the, and if you leave it like that, the system will show that this is not a valid email. So, and the password is 123456. By registering now, we will be given the registration pop-up menu. We say that the registration is successful and our student ID is SID 0133. Okay, so next what I need to do is use the email that I just enter and log in. Okay, right here we can see that there is book listed interface, book not written yet, and issue book. So next what I will be presenting is about the update student profile. In order to update student profile, we can click the account, and by clicking the account, we can change our name and our mobile number. So for the email, it is not we cannot change it because it has been set as the PK primary key in our database, same as our student ID. By clicking the update now, it will run the query of updating the student table, which contain the list of entities. This list of entities such as full name, mobile number, and email. Not email. Next, we can change the password by using this function. It will run the queries of updating the password, and for the first one of sign up, it will run the add entity into the table queries. Next, I will show about the view available book. In order to view the available book, we can click on the book listed. Book listed here will show that what book is available to be borrowed, and for the book that has already been borrowed, it will say that the book already been issued. So that means someone is already borrowing the book and not yet returning it. So right here we can see all the book that we can borrow. The query that has been done here is only to search for the book and its detail. Next, I will look at the view issue or loan books. Issued books mean that the book that the student used to borrow. So for the book, there for this Neo account, there is no book that has been borrowed yet. Let me change the account first. So okay, right here we can see that there is a book that is not yet written. It will say that it has one book that has not been yet written. This shows that the query has been run to see whether the status of the book has been written or not. So right here we can see the book that the user has been borrowing. So for this test user, there is one book that has not yet written, and it is the WordPress for beginner. In this interface, we can use the search function to filter our book, such as WordPress only and physics only. we can search by its other entities such as ISBN and book name and fine. So in order for this book to be written, the admin, the staff of the that is managing the library will need to log in, and he will need to click on the written section so that it show that our account has written this book already. So that's all that I will be presenting. Thank you.